Jason Wheeler. This is my Flat 6 Innovations R41.
The build process was really fantastic. Almost daily updates from Jake, whether it was a phone call, a picture, a video, a conference call, whatever. It really made you feel that you were part of the process and kept you locked in with where you were in the build. And it's really just unbelievable. Of course it fixes all the problems that are inherent with the M97 engine, but really that's just one part of this engine build. It is sewing machine smooth. It screams like a banshee and just has power throughout the RPM range. It's really a completely different engine. I really do wish that I could have done this build sooner. But I will tell you this, when another Porsche is added to my garage, it will definitely have an R-Series engine.